Make some spicy queso dip. What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we are making smoked spicy queso dip. Correction, just in case we were confused later on down the road, now you know. So, I got some brown ground beef. I got 2 blocks of white queso Velveeta. I got a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Some cha-cha. Can of diced green chilies. Some Mexican style cheese. And a little bit of milk. Let's get started. So, I've made this a bunch of times, but I've never smoked it. So we're gonna try and smoke it instead. I know, I'm starting to use my smoker a little bit more. It's kind of exciting. It's good times. So I got my pan here, and I'm gonna put a sheet tray under it just in case, because I feel like this tray is a little too small, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna start by putting my 2 blocks of queso cheese in here, and I wasn't gonna dice it, but I think I am. And I have my smoker set to 225, and we're probably gonna have to only do this for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Okay, then we're gonna add our ground beef. Okay, then we're gonna add about half a jar of our salsa. Actually, you know what, the whole thing. Okay, then half a pound of Mexican style cheese. Okay, we're gonna do about a cup of milk. Okay, then we're gonna do our diced tomatoes. Okay, then our diced green chilies. Okay, and that is that. So we're gonna take this out to the smoker. All right, so like I said, I got it in my smoker, and we have it at 225, right there. And we're gonna let this go for at least an hour, maybe an hour and a half, just until the cheese melts. So, I had to change this into a bigger pan because it almost boiled over. But I mixed it as I went, and got it nice and smooth. Let's try this out. So I got some scoops. We're gonna try this out. That is really good. It definitely got some spice to it, but man, that is good stuff. Wow, that is. It's one of those things where it's just spicy enough that you're like, wow, that's really spicy. I shouldn't eat more of this. But then it goes away quick enough that you're like, I want to eat more now. It's kind of one of those things. Like, this is... And it's got a little bit of smoke to it. It's definitely not as smoky as the mac and cheese that I made earlier. But this is quite nice. You would definitely win at a party. I'll tell you what, but man, this is good. Well, there you have it, guys. Smoked beef queso with a little bit of spicy. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do next. And as always, peace out, guys.